Hey everybody, welcome back to Tales from the Rails. My name is John. I'm a volunteer here at the Southern California Railway Museum. Today's video is all about the 418, Pacific Electric number 418. The car was in the shop for about 6 months, and the video that we took was on its testing day. So we hope you enjoy this video. 525 departing bookstore. Well, that's our video for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed the sights and sounds of Pacific Electric 418. If you'd like to ride this car, you can come out to the Railway Museum, or the car is available for charters and for run-ones. So check out the website, socalrailway.org. My name is John. I'm your host here. If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. Yeah, this guy over here, Joe Larson, he worked on it.
Was your favorite part of working on it lunch as well? Yeah, it's also pretty good.
Railway.org. Check out the check
Check out the look at the camera.
Check out the look at the camera. Yeah.